What's up, guys? Let's be honest. You can't start your day, especially in this busy world, without a great brew to start your morning. We're all busy with juggling work, maybe a family, activities, and what could be better than a delicious cup of coffee? And the absolute key to a delicious cup of coffee is a fresh grind, right? That junky stuff that comes out of the can or pre-ground is nowhere near as good as fresh beans ground right before you make your coffee. And this VEVOR coffee machine with a grinder does both. Should provide you with that awesome cup of coffee to get your day started, and then it brews 8 cups, so it's gonna keep your day going. Actually, if you want this, there's a link in the description right down there. It helps out the channel. Go do that. We appreciate it. Like, follow, subscribe while you're down there, all those good things. One quick thing, and then we'll take it apart and use it. It has this cool, sleek, modern design. You know, it's got a small footprint on your countertop, which is gonna be great for your kitchen, the shop, the garage, your man cave, or wherever you want to put it. For me, I'm out here in our lanai here in Florida, and behind this giant box is my refrigerator where it's going to live. But for demonstrating it, let's just put it right down here. We'll set it up, talk about its features, make a couple cups of coffee, check it out, make sure it actually works right, and then I'm going to park it on the refrigerator over there where it's going to live. All right, let's get it out of here, see what it looks like. All right, you ready now? I'm ready. I've already tested it out, but let's make another pot of coffee. We'll start at the top, work our way down. We're gonna add water. You're gonna add the number of cups that you're gonna be making. I'm gonna say you're ready. I love this carafe. It's a beautiful aluminum, and it's also insulated, so that is really cool. Put that in place. We're gonna add some nice fresh whole beans to the hopper up here. Ooh, oh, I love the smell of coffee. That's so good. I'm gonna adjust this to like a little bit like a medium grind, okay? And then we're simply gonna turn it on and it starts. All right, it's grounded, puts it in the filter, and it's now gonna start heating up and brewing that delicious coffee. I can smell it already. It smells so good. While it's brewing, I wanted to tell you one of the coolest functions of it. Makes the coffee, you wake up in the morning and you're ready to go. Not innovative, but a cool feature. Okay, coffee manufacturing has concluded. Let's see how well it did. Certainly hot, no doubt about that. All right, let's check it out. Whew, smells so good. That is a great cup of coffee. Now, obviously, I used really good coffee. Done this a couple times before, so I know what kind of grind I like. But it did everything it was supposed to do to go beyond the really good coffee and the right type of grind. This is actually pretty unique. If you're into coffee makers, you'll see there aren't too many which include the grinder as part of the whole process, which really raises the game a lot. So I would highly recommend this. I hope this was helpful. Conan and I will see you next time.